Welcome back to another video. Thanks for stopping by. So as you already know, in today's video I'm going to be sharing the process of my room transformation. I am also going to be sharing some tips and tricks of what I did and kind of things that I learned along the way so that you guys could utilize that if you want to transform your room. And I'm going to share all the details of where I bought all my items and how much they cost. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the details about the giveaway. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So this is what my room looked like before the transformation. Now the walls are painted a pastel yellow. I like the color, however, I do not think it's suitable for a bedroom at all. The room is really fun and cute and has bright colors, but I feel like I've outgrown it, as well as I'm super bored and need a new project on my hands. So, because of all that, I decided it was time for a complete room makeover. So I started by letting all the air out of my Aero mattress, and the reason why I've been sleeping on a blow-up mattress is because I slept on it like a year and a half ago, and it was super comfortable, so I decided to take it into my room. But it's time for a new bed. Then, of course, I just went in with a Swiffer and cleaned up all the dust and dirt that had been hiding under the bed and the rug. After that, I went ahead and moved all the big furniture pieces into the center of the room. And now, tip number 1, do not do this. Do not be lazy like me, because if you're messy like me, you're going to get paint all over the furniture. So it's best to either move it out of the room or throw a big tarp over it. Just make sure that you don't get it dirty. The next step was a bit tricky, and you have to be really careful and have a lot of patience in order to do an exact straight line and cover everything perfectly. But I managed to. Once you're done with the taping, it is time to go ahead and cover up the entire floor. Now don't think, oh, I need a little strip next to the wall. No, it is going to get messy, so make sure the entire floor is covered. And it is finally time for the fun part. Let's get painting! So one tip that I want to give you about painting is that it is commonly known that you are supposed to use up and down strokes with the brush. However, as you can tell, I am not doing that at all. And it really came out super nice and smooth for me, so my tip to you is do whatever makes you feel comfortable. Also, a lot of people have been asking me how I painted the top without getting paint on the ceiling. So there are 2 ways you can do this. Either tape up the ceiling by the wall and then paint as normal, or get an edger. And that's what I used personally. It was super helpful, really easy, and I loved it. So I got the paint from Home Depot, and they have their own brand of paint called Bear. They have 3 kinds, I think, like Premium, Premium Plus, and Diamond, or something like that. I got the cheapest one. It was $35, and it's full coverage with an eggshell finish. I am so sorry, but I do not remember what this color was called. However, I did find a few on Home Depot online that seemed to be a pretty similar match. And this is the finished look with the paint on. So this wall right here is going to be the accent wall, as well as the wall that the bed is going to lean against. At first, I thought of getting wallpaper, but that was way too expensive for my budget, so I ended up purchasing this stencil from Amazon for $12.99. So I just wanted to tell you guys a few things about stenciling that I did not know before I started. Number 1, it's going to take a long time. Number 2, your hands are going to really hurt. And number 3, it's really hard to be precise. So only start this if you have the patience and energy to finish it, because I almost gave up in the middle. But I am so glad that I did not give up, because this wall turned out insanely amazing. I am literally so obsessed with how it turned out. Next, it was time to move all the stuff out of the center of my room and move the bed in. So don't tell my mom, but I actually stole the bed from the guest room because it was a lot bigger and more comfortable. And then I went ahead and got these bed risers from Amazon for $13.99, which not only helps put storage underneath, but also raises the bed to a super cool height. So this blanket was purchased at Target for $16, and these throw pillows were purchased at Target as well for between $16 to $20 each. And of course, the beautiful headboard was purchased on Amazon for $99. This bed skirt desperately needs an ironing, but it's so great for hiding all my junk underneath my bed. So then I got these 11 by 11 inch cube organizers from Target. The 6 cube organizer was $39.99 and the 3 cube organizer was $29.99. They were super easy to assemble and they look super cute. And then I just got these cute little bins from Amazon for $17.99 to go inside. So this really cute gray and white hamper is from Target as well. It was $10 and this massive mirror was $55 at Walmart. And everyone is absolutely dying to know where I got these shoe organizers from. So they're from an app called Wish. They cost $22 for 15 of them plus $11 shipping. They are super easy to build and so far have lasted me for over a year. I got these beautiful 52 by 84 inch blackout curtains from Amazon for $22 each, and the rods were $17 each at Target, and I love them because they match my accent wall. I then put up these fairy lights that I got on Amazon for $16, and I feel like they add so much to the room. And it is time to finally see how the room turned out. Enjoy! And it is time for some giveaway details. So I know you're all super excited about this giveaway, and in order to enter, you have to go follow me on Instagram, right here, this is my Instagram, and tag 3 friends on my most recent post, which is the post about the giveaway. And then subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below on this video when you've done that. And once I reach 10,000 subscribers, I am going to go live on TikTok to announce the winner. I wish you all the best of luck and really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!